Hey guys, how's it going? It's Newmark Sports here. I wanted to do a quick video today. When I was looking for information on this, it wasn't viable and I just wanted to see what other people had. So last year, I did a Panini redemption. Now, I had two redemptions last year. I had a Ricardo Pepi auto to 49 and a Diego Milito auto to 49, both from Obsidian. Now these for a year, give or take, didn't turn up. For whatever reason, Panini didn't have them in stock. I requested a replacement, and last year I was very fortunate to get a black box from Panini for this. Now, I wasn't expecting anything massive because the value at the time was probably around the worth of about £30. And let's just say I pulled an honorary 1-on-1 auto from National Treasures. Now that did sell for a hefty price and I was very grateful for that. This time round, it's been nearly 1 year since I sent these for redemption. These were a Lewis Miley auto to 125 from Obsidian, and also it was a Javier Mascherano auto to 49, I believe in his Barcelona kit. Now, I've been waiting, like I said, nearly a year now. I had two parcels come back. I had one parcel like this, which was very similar to last year's parcel, which was a black box. And I've had this parcel here. Now I've taken off the address label just for my protection, but we're going to get into them and we're going to open the smaller one first. And I say smaller, the one that's less like a box. We shall see what we get inside of it. I'm not really, these are both replacements because in reality, to wait that long, Mascherano still has value, obviously he's a legend. But Lewis Miley at the time was very favourable, but now not so much due to, he still plays well, it's just not a bigger chase than he was back then. Back then it was like a massive chase. So we're going to get into this and see what we have. I'm kind of excited because I've been waiting a long time for this sort of stuff. It feels like a mag. Oh. I think this is actually the auto. I asked for a replacement. And there we have it. For 125, Lewis Miley on the rookie auto. Now this was actually quite shocking for me. I wasn't expecting this. I was fully not expecting this. I requested a replacement months ago and they accepted it. I'm not sure how to feel. I think I'm still quite happy about it. I think, you know, rookie auto, Lewis Miley still playing somewhat decent, so I'll take that. So let's put this one over to the side. Now I'm really intrigued because surely if Mascherano was in stock, wouldn't they just give me the same sort of parcel inside? They wouldn't have to make a big bag of it, right? I don't think it's a black box because it would be bigger than this. It's just the same again. That's so strange. They've packaged it. Maybe it is a Mascherano auto. Who knows? It is. I've asked for two replacements and they've sent me both the autos. That's crazy. Here we are. Javier Mascherano auto. Oh, they sent me to 25. Wow, we'd take that all day long. Wow, I can tell you now for a fact, I was not expecting either of these to come. But we take it all day long. I think they've boosted us up to an out of 25 on the Mascherano and on the 125 of the Lewis Miley. So we take it all day long. Let me know what you guys think about this, and yeah, do you think it was right they honoured the original card, or do you think they should have replaced it with something else after accepting a replacement? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.